Welcome on my YouTube channel Shoaib Views. If you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Like my videos and share it with your friends. This video is the part of basic operator course for power plant operators, and today's topic is LOTO. My brief video in Urdu is coming soon. Keep watching Shoaib Views channel. The Lockout/Tagout LOTO procedure is a safety protocol used to ensure machines are shut off and unable to be started up again prior to maintenance or repair work. It prevents injuries such as electric shocks, burns, and entanglement in industrial settings. The LOTO process involves several key steps to secure equipment: preparation, notification, shutdown, isolation, lockout/tagout, verification, maintenance or repair, removal of lockout/tagout, and notification of reactivation. Preparation involves understanding the specific machines requiring maintenance and identifying their energy sources, including electrical, mechanical, hydraulic, pneumatic, chemical, nuclear, and thermal. Notification requires informing all workers affected by the lockout/tagout, ensuring everyone is aware that certain equipment will be out of operation. Shutdown involves turning off the machine using the normal stopping procedure, maintaining a safe environment. Isolation requires shutting down all energy sources connected to the equipment, such as disconnecting power sources, closing valves, or bleeding pipes. Lockout/tagout involves attaching lockout devices to energy isolating mechanisms, using personal locks and tags to indicate the lockout purpose and responsible individual. Verification involves testing the equipment to ensure it is isolated and cannot be started by attempting to start the machine. Maintenance or repair is performed with the assurance that the equipment won't activate, allowing safe completion of tasks. Removal of lockout/tagout involves removing all locks and tags after work is completed, ensuring the equipment is ready to be safely activated. Notification of reactivation requires informing all affected employees that the equipment is back in operation. The lockout/tagout procedure is a comprehensive culture of safety across industries, emphasizing the significance of safeguarding workers from dangers. Thanks for watching Shoaib Views channel. If you like this video, please thumbs up it and subscribe my channel.